Ayan po, ngayon naman alamin natin kung ano ba yung mangyayari after natin mag-undergo ng reclassification. Halimbawa, tapos na po yung ating pagpa-reclass. Tulad ng naka-demo na kayo, naka-NCOI na, tapos nagkaroon na ng result. So, ano ba yung mangyayari? Ito po yung nakalagay dito sa DepEd Order number 24, Series 2025. So, simulan natin dito sa number 45. The career for particular position shall be valid until exhausted. All remaining candidates in the career who meet 50-point cut-off score but may not be accommodated for reclassification for the current fiscal year due to limited funding shall be prioritized for reclassification in the next year, fiscal year. So, kung kayo po ay naka 50 points above, so hindi naman lahat ma-accommodate sa fiscal year na ito. Kung marami po kayo, so hindi kayo ma-accommodate lahat. They shall be considered in the kiwi and shall not be required to undergo assessment process. The reclassification of their position shall be processed before all the new applicants can be reclassified. So, hindi po kayo lahat ma-accommodate sa fiscal year na ito, subalit next year kayo naman po yung priority. Ibig sabihin, kung may applicant next year, hindi po sila priority for that fiscal year. Ano po, kaya medyo yung iba na hindi makakapagpa-reclass ngayon ay kung next year sila, hindi pa sila yung priority, yung mga nagpa-reclass po ngayon. Ano po, so pero hindi lahat sabay-sabay. Maghihintay po tayo ng funding kasi ang problema dito yung limited funding. Ano po, so limited yung fund. All candidates who did not meet the 50-point cutoff who opt to participate in the next reclassification process for the same position shall be given option to carry over their career scores or update their credential without having to undergo the entire assessment process. So, yung mga hindi naman nakapag-abot ng 50, sila po ay pwede uling mag-join sa next reclassification at pwede silang mag-update na lamang ng credential. Halimbawa, gusto nyo maglagay ng inyo pong TOR at meron kayong training, so magdadagdag na lang po kayo, may option kayo. Hindi na uli kayo magdi-demo. Ano po, hindi na magdi-demo. Kung nag-join kayo ngayon, pero pwede naman kung sa tingin nyo okay na po yun, hindi na po nyo ulitin, mag-update na kayo. They submit a letter of intent to the most recent ratings. Yan. All candidates who may not be accommodated for reclassification, including who did not meet the cutoff, are not precluded from applying to any vacant position. So, yung mga hindi po nakaabot sa 50, hindi naman po sila nililimitahan. Ano po, from applying to any vacant position, subject to the applicable RSA guideline. So, ulitin ko po, hindi lahat po ma-accommodate, pero kayo yung priority next year. Ano po? So, yan lamang po ang aking update ngayon tungkol dito sa ating career progression. Maraming salamat po. Please follow my page and subscribe to my channel.